How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today we're going to talk about iPhone issues and problems. If you're watching this, maybe your iPhone is stuck at recovery mode. You can't get out, there's nothing you can do. Maybe it's stuck at the Apple logo. You may see a loading bar or not, but it won't go away. You're stuck here. Maybe you are in a boot loop. Your iPhone is turning on and turning back off. Or many other problems, like maybe you're seeing a black screen or any other issue you may be facing. Well, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix pretty much any iPhone issue or problem you may be having right now. Let's begin. And the best way to do this is by using a computer. But don't worry, because you can use a Mac or PC. This tutorial is universal, so it doesn't matter what computer you have, you will be able to do it. As a matter of fact, the computer doesn't even have to be yours. You can actually borrow a computer from somebody else. So as I said, it's universal, everyone can do this. And in order to help us, we're gonna actually use a software. This guy right here, Wondershare Dr.Fone. I'm sure you have seen Dr.Fone before here on the channel and on many other channels and websites. You can definitely trust Wondershare Dr.Fone. This is my favorite all-in-one tool for many things on your iPhone. And in this video, we're gonna focus on the repair tool as you're seeing right here, system repair. So the first thing you actually need to do is just go ahead, download and install Dr.Fone right now. You can go ahead, try it out for free. As you can see, it's compatible with macOS and Windows PC. You can click here, so it's completely universal. All right, so download, install it, and of course, let's begin. I'm gonna go ahead and minimize right here. I'm gonna open up Wondershare Dr.Fone. As you can see, it's right here for us. And right now, what you're gonna need to do is go ahead and get the iPhone that has problems. In my case, I'm gonna be using this guy right here. This iPhone doesn't have necessarily an issue, and I can't really manufacture an issue. I can make the iPhone be faulty, but of course, I'm gonna go ahead with you step by step on what you're gonna need to do on your phone. So let's pretend this iPhone has issue and problems, and of course, I'm gonna go step by step with you, okay? So what you're gonna need to do first is plug in your iPhone to your computer, okay? So I'm using here a USB-C cable. Use a compatible cable for you. And in this case, that's a lightning port right here on the other side. I'm gonna plug in, and then that's all you're gonna need to do. So your iPhone may be faulty, so maybe you won't be able to access the screen or anything, so you shouldn't worry about that. But of course, if you see any kind of pop-up messages, it's important that you allow if it happens. Again, it may not show anything because your iPhone may have serious issues, but if you see anything on the computer, go ahead and allow. It's important that you do so, okay? So I'm gonna allow right here. I'm gonna click on allow, great. And what we're gonna do is, if prompted, and if you can, you're gonna enter your password to unlock your device. If you can't, no problem, okay? So what you're gonna need to do is go to the toolbox right here at the top, and then look for system repair, which as you can see is already updated to iOS 27. You can click on it. So let's wait for it to open. And as you can see, we've got here the system repair window right there ready for us. As you can see, it actually detected our iPhone 14 Pro. And as you can also see, I didn't unlock the phone. Because as I said, maybe depending on your issue, you won't be able to unlock it, but no problem, because System Repair by Wondershare Dr.Fone will be able to fix any issues, even if the iPhone is locked, as you can see. So you don't have to do that if you can't, all right? So as you can see here, we've got quite a lot of tools inside System Repair. So for example, you can update or downgrade your iPhone, error repairs on music, anti-recovery repair. You can enter and exit recovery mode. So if recovery mode is your issue, you can go ahead and straight here, try and exit, reset device, and a full toolbox to repair. But what I'm gonna focus on this video is the main iOS repair that can fix and repair more than 150 iPhone or iPad system issues like I mentioned before. But again, you can go ahead and straight jump into something more specific if that's your case, okay? So let's go ahead here to repair now. And then here we have the standard repair and the advanced repair. So the thing is, the standard repair will retain your data. So you will not lose any of your data. You won't lose any of your files. You're pretty much fixing without resetting. So there will be no data loss on this first mode. In the second one, the advanced repair, we will need to reset the iPhone completely, format, and restore to factory settings. Therefore, we will in fact lose all of our data, all of our files. But again, sometimes that's necessary, all right? So my recommendation here is start with the standard repair because maybe the first one, this first option will do the trick, will fix your iPhone and you won't lose anything. And if that doesn't work, we can go to the advanced repair only as a last resort, okay? So let's go ahead here and continue. You can go to the standard repair. As you can see right here, we're gonna enter recovery mode. So that's very important. We're gonna manually enter recovery mode. And in order to do that, we're gonna connect our device to the computer, which we have already done. It's asking us to enter the passcode, but maybe that's not a possibility, okay? So let's go ahead and continue. So let's go ahead and enter recovery mode as it says right here. And as you can see, we have two options. We can enter via the system. And in order to do that, the iPhone needs to be unlocked and you need to trust and everything else, or you can do it manually with the guide. I'm gonna go ahead and do it manually with you just to show you in a more complicated scenario, okay, as I'm doing throughout all this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on guide, as you can see, and what we're gonna do is very simple. We're gonna first turn off the device, okay, connect the cable, and then we're gonna press and hold the power button until we see the Apple logo and then let go. Okay, so since we may not be able to turn off the device, what we're gonna do is simply connect the device to the computer regardless of the state that's at the moment and then follow the procedure, okay? So I'm gonna connect and then volume up, let go, volume down, let go, press and hold the side button. So I'm gonna keep doing that, and it's very important that you do that with the power plugged in, okay, the cable plugged in. So it's just volume up, let go, volume down, let go, press and hold, and then of course, keep holding with the cable plugged in, and then you're gonna do that until you see the recovery mode, you can let go. So as you just saw, you don't need to turn off the phone because maybe you can't do that, but just the fact that you plug into the computer and follow the procedure, you will in fact enter recovery mode. So we can go ahead here and allow to connect to accessory if it shows up. If Finder or iTunes or anything pops up, you can close, you don't need that. Then we can close here this guide, and now we can get started because we are already in recovery mode. So you can go ahead and continue. As you can see, Wondershare Dr.Fone will detect our iPhone, the iPhone model and everything else, and it'll actually need to download the iOS version in order to repair it. Make sure you have available storage in order to do that, and then you can download and continue with the process. Okay, so let's download right here. As you can see, it's downloading the firmware package. Depending on your internet speed, it may take a while. Generally, it just takes a few minutes. All right, so let's just wait for Wondershare to download the iOS version and have everything set to fix our iPhone. After the download finishes, it's gonna start verifying. The process is even faster. And then you're gonna see this window asking if you wanna start the repair now. Of course, we're gonna start it now. So click on repair now, it's verifying, and all you have to do is wait while Dr.Fone repairs your iPhone. You may see pop-up windows again asking if you wanna allow accessory to connect. Do allow. Every single time you see that, you can allow. Again, if iTunes or Finder pops up, you can cancel and close because we're actually using Dr.Fone and not these other tools. Your iPhone will turn off turn back on, you will see the Apple logo, loading bar, and everything else. So all you have to do now really is be patient. Don't do anything with your iPhone, leave it plugged in, leave it on the table, and then only interact if you see pop-up windows like that asking to allow. Of course, you can always allow and continue, okay? So I'm gonna keep waiting. We are at 15%, we're almost done. And so as you can see, repair complete. So all you have to do now is click on done. Okay, so we're done here on this first process on Wondershare Dr.Fone. As you can see, the iPhone is still finishing up. We have here the Apple logo, so keep the iPhone plugged in until we're done 100%, okay? So we can click on done, as you can see, and of course we can close this window, and right now, just wait a second. Our iPhone has turned on, so then we can swipe up to recover. As you can see, let's just focus. As you can see, it's gonna ask our passcode, and then it's gonna finish up the process. We're almost done. Keep the iPhone plugged in, okay? And so after a few minutes, your iPhone will be ready. As you can see, you can swipe up, then you can enter your passcode, it's required. Let's complete the passcode right here. And as you can see, we're good to go. So it's asking now to trust the computer. If you want to, you can go ahead and trust if you're doing anything else on the computer. If not, you can go ahead and unplug your iPhone because we're done. As you can also see, we didn't lose any of our data, any of our files, everything is here. No data loss, as I mentioned before, on the very first method. So we repaired the iPhone successfully, no data loss without losing any of our data, any of our files. But of course, maybe it didn't do the trick. Maybe the first method couldn't fix your iPhone, and that's okay. Depending on your problem, you may need to go to the advanced method, which I mentioned before. So if we click again on repair now, we have advanced repair, and then you can go ahead and continue, because if the standard repair doesn't fix it, the advanced one will. But keep in mind that going through with the process right here will in fact erase all your content, will format your iPhone, and you will lose everything. Of course, you will be able to recover all your data, all your files through a backup, but there's no other way. If your problem is so complicated, you will need to go to the advanced method and reset your iPhone completely. And then the steps here will be completely the same. So first, you're gonna need to enter recovery mode, just like I showed you before. And then Wondershare Dr.Fone will start the advanced repair, and all you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be good to go in just a few minutes, and the advanced method will do the trick, okay? Trust me. So that's literally it. That's all that I wanted to show you in this video, how to fix any iPhone issue that you may have with Wondershare Dr.Fone. Again, link in the first line of the description. You can go ahead and try it for free, and you can see all the plans and pricing. There are always amazing deals and sales going on, so go ahead and enjoy. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos, guys. Bye bye.